Good day everyone, I'm Hannah Kate Sinavida from BSN 1Y024A. Today I'm going to perform is changing an occupied bed. So the purpose of this is to conserve the client's energy and to promote comfort and provide a clean, neat environment for the client and to provide a smooth, wrinkle-free bed foundation. This minimizing sources of skin irritation. For the assessment, first is we must assess the client's ability to reposition self, assess the skin condition, and need for a special mattress or a linen. So for the planning equipment, we must check if there's already linens that you will be needing in the patient's room. So, the equipments that we'll be needing are bed sheets, rubber sheet, cloth sheet, and the top sheet. So, to perform this procedure, first is I will have to introduce myself and verify the client's identity and explain of what will be the procedure is. Next is observe the appropriate infection prevention procedures, apply clean gloves if necessary, and provide for client privacy. Now, for the first step is we will have to remove the top bedding. Remove any equipment attached to the bed linen. Loosen all top linen at the foot of the bed and remove the spread and the blanket. Leave the top sheet over the client and change the bottom sheet and the draw sheet. Raise the side rail that the client will turn toward. If there is no side rail, have another nurse support the client at the edge of the bed. Assist the client to turn on the side way from the nurse and toward the raised side rail. Loosen the bottom linens on the side of the bed near the nurse. Fan fold dirty linen toward the center of bed and place new bottom sheet on bed. And vertically fan fold the half to be used on the far side. Tuck the sheet under the near half of the bed and meter the corner. Place the clean draw sheet on the bed, fan fold the uppermost half vertically at the center of the bed and tuck the near side edge under the side of the mattress. Next is assist the client to roll over toward you onto the clean side of the bed. Move the pillow to the clean side of the client's use. Raise the side rail before leaving the side of the bed and move to the other side of the bed and lower the side rails. Remove the used linen and place it into the portable hamper. Unfold the fan-folded bottom sheet from the center of the bed. Facing the side of the bed, use both hands to pull the bottom sheet and unfold the draw sheet fan-folded at the center and pull it tightly with both hands. Pull the sheet in 3 divisions. Face the side of the bed to pull the middle division. Face the far top corner to pull the bottom division and face the far bottom corner to pull the top division. Next is tuck the excess draw sheet under the side of the mattress. Reposition the client in the center of the bed. Assist the client to the center of the bed. Reposition the pillows at the center of the bed and determine what position the client requires or prefers and assist the client to that position. Next is apply or complete the top bedding. Spread the top sheet over the client and either ask the client to hold the top edge of the sheet or tuck it under the shoulders. The sheet should remain over the client when the bath blanket or used sheet is removed. Complete the top of the bed, ensure the continued safety of the client, raise the side rails, place the bed in the low position before leaving the bedside, and attach the call light to the bed linen within the client's reach. Put items used by the client within easy reach. And lastly, as we will have document the procedure and evaluation to conduct appropriate follow-up such as determining client's comfort and safety, patency of all drainage tubes and client's access to call light to summon help when needed, and reassess all tubing, oxygen apparatus, IV pumps, and so forth.